Okay, class. So now you know the structure of an HTML line. Let us proceed to the structure of an HTML document. Okay, so buong document na to. Okay? So, please take note that this is the structure of an HTML document. So, ito na yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya. As is na po talaga ito. Okay, huwag niyo nang pagrambol-rambulin. Okay? Your HTML document should start with the HTML tag. Ayan, yan siya dapat. Okay? Yan ang dapat na umpisa niya. Okay? HTML document begins with the HTML tag and ends with the HTML tag din dito. Itong backslash HTML tag. Okay? So, ito yung start. Ganda ng sulat ni ma'am. Okay? Ano lang kasi ako. Gamit ko lang ay laptop. Start. Ito ang finish. Yan. F na lang ha, para madali. Yan. Lagi yan. Tandaan. Okay? This means, okay, this tells the browser that the document is an HTML document. So, para malaman ni browser na ang ginagawa nyo ay isang HTML document at hindi lang simpleng Word document. Okay? Kaya kailangan na nag-uumpisa sa HTML tag. And in between is the head tag. Ayan, ito na si head. Okay? Head tags are special HTML tags such as, in between the head tags are the title tags. Okay. Sa gitna niya yan. Okay, laging ganyan yan, class. Take note that HTML tag comes in pairs. Magjowa sila. Okay? Kailangan, pag nag-open ka ng tag, i-close mo si tag. Okay? And are not case sensitive. So, pwede pong